Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. Mr. Speaker, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee of National Security, Defense and Foreign Relations on a matter of national importance and concern regarding the rising incidents of organized violence, harassment of traders, and misconduct by enforcement units who have been employed by the county government of Kisii. Mr. Speaker, Kisii County has recently witnessed a worrying rise in violence and insecurity. A case in point being attacks which have been organized by armed youths on a political convoy in Keumbu, which left one person dead, several others injured, and property destroyed. Further, Mr. Speaker, intimidation by criminal gangs and alleged excesses by members of the county government's outfit, which is known as the Green Uniformed Workers, commonly known as the Green Army, have started disrupting business activities, undermining public safety, eroding confidence in lawful governance, and as a result, very many issues have come up, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, these developments obviously do threaten livelihoods, constitutional rights guaranteed under Article 29, 40, and 43 of the Constitution, and the stability of our local economy, necessitating very urgent intervention. Mr. Speaker, in the statement, the committee should address the following. Number one, the recent incidents organized by violent goons in Kisii County, including the attack on any political leaders who disagree with the current administration in Kisii. Mr. Speaker, the second point is that the committee should explain to this House what steps are being taken by the National Police Service to investigate, arrest, and prosecute individuals involved in criminal activities and intimidation. Number three, Mr. Speaker, what legal and policy framework is governing the recruitment of this quote-unquote Green Army? And Mr. Speaker, these are young men and women who are dressed in green, this was a very good idea because they were supposed to be collecting garbage and managing whatever that the county government needed. And yet, Mr. Speaker, what you have is that the Green Army individuals, including one, they have a mandate which we don't know where they got it from. They have been given certain powers which we don't understand. They are acting as if they are committing they are actually handling oversight and accountability mechanisms.
Senator Richard Onyonka.
Yes.
Kindly read the statement as approved.
That's what I'm reading.
No, you're not, because I'm following it.
What am I? What?
I have a copy of the approved statement.
What?
Just stick to the statement, Honorable Senator.
That's what. Okay, let me read.
No.
I'm saying the committee should address the following: the legal and policy framework governing the Green Army program, including its mandate, powers, oversight, and accountability mechanisms, and investigate allegations of harassment and unlawful confiscation and destruction of traders' property. Number four, what measures are being implemented by the national and county governments to safeguard investors, market vendors, hawkers, border operators, and small-scale businesses from intimidation, extortion, and unlawful interference? Number five, the long-term security and governance strategies being undertaken to dismantle these organized criminal gangs, restore public confidence, protect lawful businesses, and ensure that all county enforcement operations are conducted in full compliance with the Constitution and the law countrywide. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I hope Mr. Cherargei is happy.
Senator